With Black Friday and Christmas right around the corner, it's the perfect time to upgrade your everyday carry and tech gear without breaking the bank. Today I'm showcasing 10 must-have carry and tech upgrade under $100. Perfect gifts for yourself or your loved ones. Featuring top brands like ALPAKA, A28, Peak Design and Osprey. These picks blend style, functionality and value. Let's dive in. The ALPAKA Metro Backpack 12 liter, I have it here in Axogrid, which is another fabric. It's a very small 12-liter backpack, no stand-up strap, very comfortable, kind of structured. You have a quick access like this, very nice orange interior in the Axogrid. You have this pocket like this, and this is the interior orange. You have a place for a small laptop and some other gear. Very cool little backpack. You can check the full video review right here, and I will put other videos that I've done right here for other gear. Second on the list is totally different, is a flashlight. So it's a Rovyvon A28. I have it for almost 3 years now. It's just awesome. It's my do-it-all light. So it has a standard LED like this, and you can have very, very bright light here. Then you have another LED here, and you have standard light. You have red light, ultraviolet light. Really nice, I really like it. This is a magnet, you can put it like this. It's really my go-to flashlight. I bring it with me everywhere. Review video here or down below. Third on this list is the A28 D2G Essential Backpack. So I just reviewed it at the time of making this video. I have a full review right here, and I think that's kind of the best bang for your buck EDC backpack with technical material, with 2 water bottle pockets on the sides, with a spacious orange interior right here, and with 2 quick access side access like this, one here and one on the other side. And right now it's a super nice deal and it's under $100. So really a cool backpack that can do it all. EDC, a little travel, not too much, and general use of a backpack. I really recommend it. That's a thumbs up from me. Next up on this list is the Osprey Ultralight Stuff Pack. So as you can see, it's really small. I have small hands, so you can see that it can pack very small. And what it is, you may ask, it's a backpack. If I open it like this, it's very tight inside. And you can see now it looks something like this, the pocket on the top, and here you go. A lot of wrinkles, but the good thing is that it can fit inside your pocket and it's very comfortable. You have a stand-up strap with a little whistle here, breathable straps. You have 2 pockets, so the one where you put it inside like this, small one, and then the main pocket which is here, just a big dump, and then you have 2 side water bottle pockets which are stretchy and very nice. So I have a full review video that you can find down below or here. Next up is a very different product. It's the SOUNDCORE Liberty 4 Pros. It's actually my go-to earbuds for more than 1 year. They are really awesome earbuds, and right now they are less than $100, so they are quite cheap for the quality they deliver. I have them here in green, but you have other colors, so I really recommend them. The sound is perfect. The fit in your ear, at least for me, is also perfect. This little screen is a little gimmick, but it's nice. A nice addition. I don't use so much the functionality with the case, but you don't really care. Battery life is good, the sound is good, the ANC is maybe not the best in the game, but it's quite nice for the price. Next up, another backpack, a very slim one, this one. I also reviewed it on the channel, so you can find the review down below or here. This is the ALPAKA Aero Pack 16 liter. As you can see, very slim, very light. It's less structured than other backpacks, but still very capable. You have a top pocket like this, very soft. You have a front pocket like this with a key leash, and you have the main pocket here with some dividing stuff, so you can put a big laptop. You have here a sleeve, you have an internal water bottle pocket, and you have a pocket right here, which is super nice. I really like this backpack. Only available in black right now, and it's also sometimes with a discount. Next up on this list is the A28 Kangaroo Sling. So it's quite affordable sling using YKK zippers and a good construction. So here you have the front pocket with a key leash like this. I really like this little addition like this with the A28 logo. You have a feature that we will see right after, and you have the main pocket here with a lot of organization. It's maybe not the best build in the world, but for the price and the discount, it's often in a discount. It's quite nice. I really like it. You have the back pocket here, which is very nice. You have a top handle like this which is quite beefy and it works quite well. I really like the layout of this little sling. The buckle is like this. I never seen something like this, but it works. It's just behind you, it's not here, so it may be a problem for some. Then you can adjust it here. And the super feature of this sling is the fact that it's called a Kangaroo sling. Maybe you have seen it on other slings, is that you have this. If I open it like this and do something like this, you see there is a webbing here, and you can either put a book or something here and keep it in between this, or you can, for example, use a sleeve for your laptop and then you can just fit it inside. It will look something like this, and it's super nice to be able to carry something else inside your sling, so that's a nice addition. It adds a little versatility to this sling. Next up on this list is a tote, a super simple tote, big design packable tote. As you can see, it's very small. I bring it with me everywhere because it's super nice, super light, and it has a zipper so you can close it. When you buy groceries or something, you can just close it, and it's a very nice addition to have always in your backpack. And so I wear this on my shoulders and my backpack on top of it, and I have extra space just in case. Perfect little gift. Next up on the list, you will see a lot of Ad1D because they have a very good price to quality ratio. Here is wallet, a big wallet, as you can see. It's to fit passport or everything. If you're not so minimalist, then this is perfect for you. It features X-Pack and vegan leather. It uses YKK zippers. So if I open it, as you can see, you have a lot of organization. You can fit some SD cards, you can fit some memory cards, you can fit some little stuff here. You have a lot of space for your cards. You have here a pocket for coins. You can put a pen here, and you can put some cash on the back. A very nice little gift here. It's quite big, so maybe not for everyone, but I highly recommend it. Last but not least on this list is the Peak Design M packing cube. I have it here in green, and I use a SB to close it. I put a lot inside. It's really something that is always with me when I travel. I really like the fact that you have a separate pocket for the dirty stuff right here. It's really an awesome feature, I think. And then when I open it, it's like this. I put the SB and then I open it like this and have everything inside, which is just awesome. You also have the compression option here, which I use all the time. And here it's not compressed, as you can see. I really like it. It's available in a lot of different colors. This is kind of my top packing cube. If you're not using packing cube yet, I highly recommend them because they can compress your stuff down a lot, but you need small packing cubes. Like this is very slim. If you have a packing cube with a textile like this, then it's not so effective. So this is the go-to, I think, for every travel. You need packing cubes like this. I highly recommend them. And I think that's it. Which gear was your preferred one? Do you have some questions or something? I will put the links down below to all these products and the latest discounts, the latest promo codes if I have some. And also I will put the links to all my reviews down below. And if you watched until here, it's because you like the content, so don't forget to put a like and subscribe to this channel. It really helps. Thank you very much and see you in the next one. Bye bye, ciao ciao.